So this right here is my compost pile. As you can tell, this is more like dirt. And you see how it's like sand when you don't treat it. This is when the soil is hit with the sun without water for a long period of time. This is why when I rake, I get up all the grass and the weeds. So this was in a big old pile I had right here. The moisture just locked in, and you see those leaves, how they're disintegrating. This is what you need. This is black gold. I'm gonna put this on my lemongrass tree. Y'all gonna see me digging through the pile, moving this dirt to the lemongrass, the lemon tree, and the queen palm, because the winter is coming and I'm planning ahead so I can keep my trees warm. Just go out there, get some leaves, throw it on there, and then eventually once the spring comes, it's gonna flourish and get bigger and larger and more succulent. That's what we want. Alright, so I'm going to my lemon tree first. My lemon tree. Yeah, that's the lemon tree, baby. And it has thorns on it. I don't know if you can see the thorns, but those pokey things right there, that's thorns. So I know that's going to be a succulent lemon tree. Keep that. We need that. So you want to dig until the soil gets dark. And you keep the dark soil. Any roots that's bad like these, we don't need those. Toss those out. Or leaf clovers, we don't need those. Alright, so here, sprinkle it all in there. It's gonna keep everything nice and warm over the winter time. And we live in North Florida, so it's not that cold yet, but it will be getting cold. So what I want to do is I want to keep replacing dirt, swapping it out, so it can stay nice and moist, and that way as the winter months come, the lemon tree can be nice and pretty. Now replace the dirt on top. I don't care if it's dirty on top or like dusty. It's what's on the inside that matters. Pack that in, give it some love. It's nice and green, and you see this, you want to take this off because that's old. You don't want to keep the old stuff, throw it away. I'm getting some new leaves at the top here. That means it's growing nice and even, growing nice and smooth. Alright, lemon tree, off to the lemongrass. Come over here to my lemongrass. Into my queen palm, and then I'm done. Whew. I wish you all could smell this. This smells so good. Oh man, this is my lemongrass tree. Someone donated this to me. They were twigs just like this when I got them last year. Miss Natalie Clark, she has her own garden called Harvest Blessings in Jacksonville, Florida as well. This smells so good. Like if I could put this in a perfume bottle, I would. Like lemongrass has good beneficial nutrients, and you can tea this and brew this as a tea, and I'm going to do that later today. So I'm going to save these for that purpose. You got to prune around your trees so they can grow, just like trimming the ends of your hair. So if you don't trim the ends of your hair, they won't, it's dead ends. It's not going to grow. You kind of got to decipher what you want to keep, because when you're trimming, you don't want to take everything, right? But the ones that's kind of overlapping, you want to get rid of. This is where we want to put our black gold at, right here. That's that black gold right there. Just pour it all the way down in there and spread it out. Pruning, you want to prune from the bottom and work your way up. People gonna laugh at you for gardening. Like, why are you doing that? But hey, sometimes you gotta start somewhere. I'll be posting the results during the week to show you how the progress of everything is going, and we'll go from there. Seriously, hard out here. Thank y'all for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel and like, comment, and share. Sharing is caring, so everybody else can see this, so they can get some gardening tools and tips. Come back and visit us. My name is Janeri. I hope you all have a great day. See you later. Bye.